Title: Leading left turn signal on the Queensway. Filming location: the Queensway at Colborne Lodge Drive in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Date recorded: May 25, 2024. Both signals go green. I've put in the real-time duration of the green left arrow up top to show how long the green arrow lasts in this video. My camera counted for left-turning vehicles in 13 seconds. The transit signal turns green, but it's exclusive to streetcars as this is a right-of-way equipped with rails and overhead wires. The pedestrian signals are controlled by a push-button crossing station where the pedestrian pushes a button to request a walk signal. If the button isn't pushed, the hand signal will stay and wait for the next cycle. Until 2007, the main signal had straight-through and right-turn arrows before converting to solid green after the Queensway reconstruction. At the top, I've put in a countdown timer to see how long before the signal changes. The main signal for the Queensway turns red. Notice the pedestrian signal switches to walk before the traffic signal goes green. The average person takes 35 seconds to make it all the way across the Queensway. End of video. Producer: TTC 4300. What do you think of the video? Please leave a comment down below and I'll get to it somehow. Be sure to give my video a like or dislike and/or subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and bell icon.